Hey, what's up, fam? Today we're going to be talking about autoresponders, primarily the MaillingBoss autoresponder within Builderall. We're also going to talk about other tools within the tool set and compare them to other platforms. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get on with the video. Today's video, again, is about Builderall's MaillingBoss autoresponder. All right, subscribe to the channel, give me some likes, give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and we'll make that happen. If you have any questions about Builderall or internet marketing or email marketing, please put them in the comments below and I'll make videos responding to those questions. All right, let's go on with the video. And what is Builderall and what is MaillingBoss? So Builderall, I did a video just a few days ago. I wanted to do a couple more videos on what Builderall is. It is a all-in-one marketing platform. So any internet marketer coming into the space or any local entrepreneur could use this product. It offers you website builder, blog builder, funnel builder, autoresponder, webinar platform, and an affiliate program. So it offers you an all-in-one package to start a business, basically. This platform is pretty amazing and it's very cheap. At $49 a month, you can build the platform, and on your first sales, you get 100% commission, and after that, you get 30%. So you can make your money back really quick. You could sell 2 or 3 of these in the first month and have the next 2 or 3 months paid for running on autopilot. All right, so let's get on to MaillingBoss autoresponder. If you are interested in just the MaillingBoss, after this, there will be a link in the description. There will also be a link in the description for the Business Builder platform in the description. All right, so let's get on with the MaillingBoss. So MaillingBoss, what is it? It's the autoresponder that's part of Builderall. Can we compare it to Aweber, GetResponse? It does the exact same things. It might not be as streamlined, but it does everything that GetResponse, Aweber, or any of them do, and it's at a fraction of the cost. So right off the bat, when you get this product, you automatically have a 10,000 email list that you can build up with your monthly fee of $49 a month with the autoresponder. All right, so let's move forward with how to set up the MaillingBoss. So MaillingBoss is what the autoresponder service is called. You can get the autoresponder service by itself for $50 one-time fee, and you can start using it. So let's just launch into the platform. This is the platform right here. So you have your subscribers. I have not started using this yet. I already have a GetResponse account. I wish I would have found this before and I would have started using this. I'm going to start using this for my Builderall promotions just to see how much I like it, because my subscriber list is not humongous, so it wouldn't be no problem to move it over to this platform. And for the low cost, maybe it's a good idea to do that for me. All right, so we have subscribers, we have lists, we have campaigns, and we have workflows. So if you're not familiar with this, if you're not familiar with the autoresponder, a list is different list that you put people into. So if you have several different landing pages, you may have different lists that you want them to go into to get different emails, right? So that's what a list is. Campaigns, they can be a broadcast message, which is just an email that you send out to a list, or an email sequence, which is what some companies call autoresponder, which starts a sequence from 1 or 0 to whatever. and they'll just push them out in order, and you can delay them for days, hours, weeks, whatever you want, and you can just push them out automatically to a specific email list. A workflow is moving somebody from one email list to another, or something in that manner, right? So a workflow is, okay, if after somebody has read 7 emails in this list, move them over to this list, or something like that, right? That's what these things are, and any autoresponder has these options. All right, so let's first just go over to lists, and we're going to build a real quick list, and I'm going to show you how easy this is. So we're going to go over here, we're going to build our list. It's going to be I'm just going to build a test list. I'm just doing this for this demo. We could just do a description. And you can either do double opt-in, single opt-in, double opt-out, single opt-out. We're going to do double opt-in just for this series, so I can show you the wizard. And we're going to do a single opt-out because we don't really care. If they want to opt out, we're just going to let them straight opt out. Double opt-in is getting more and more stringent with the European regulations. But, you know, I still prefer the single opt-in. Let's go ahead and go to next. And what this is going to do, it's going to start a wizard basically. And this is the custom fields that you want to see in your login page or your forms, etc. Right? So whenever I create a landing page, I want to see email and first name, and I want to see them in different order, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. So this just starts a wizard, and it basically brings you in here so you can start your email sequence for the confirmations of your opt-ins. So we did a double opt-in. So what this is going to do, it's going to send out the email saying, hey, in order to confirm the subscription, please click here, and they'll click here, and it'll allow them to subscribe to the list, right? I'm not going to edit this. I'm just going to keep going. Of course, you want to edit these to make them more personal for whatever your niche is. Pending subscribe, then they'll get an email saying, please check your email to confirm your subscription. So that's saying, hey, I did want this. Please confirm it in the next email. So we say save and exit. And then this is the opt-out email. So when somebody unsubscribes to your list, they're going to get this email. And you, of course, we want to personalize this email and just tell them they have unsubscribed to your list. If they want to resubscribe, to please click here or something like that. All right. So then we're going to go ahead and get out of this. And this is a pretty cool wizard. This is something that I have not seen any other autoresponder that I recall. And I've used Aweber, SendLane, and GetResponse, and I don't recall any of them taking you through like a wizard like this. So this is kind of cool. Now, this is your first welcome message that the email subscriber will get after they confirmed their subscription. So this may say, hey, thanks for subscribing to my email list. You will be receiving emails, blah, blah, blah. In the meantime, maybe go check out my YouTube page, and then you save and exit. So after you save and exit, now you have that in your list. And I'm going to show you right here. You see your list. You don't have any subscribers. You just created it. I got a bunch of lists here that I've been playing with. And from here, you want to start a email sequence. So an email sequence, you just point to one of your lists. So we're going to create a new sequence. And we're going to name it test message 1. We're going to do it to test list. We got segments here. I haven't played with any of this. So we're just going to leave that blank. And we want this for all future subscribers only. So anybody that joins this list is going to start getting these emails. This email is going to be sent on day 0, which is immediately after they subscribe, at the time that they subscribed. So if I was making a new email, after 0, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make this day, hour, week, month, whatever you want, right? So you do your welcome message. So this message will be your first real email. Welcome them to your email list and your newsletter or whatever you got, your 7 days of training, whatever value that you're forming for your audience. That's what you're going to start sending them to. And I like to use the Gary V jab, 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 right hook, the 80%, 20%, the 80-20 rule that I've been speaking about in my last 10 videos. It's 80% value, 20% promotion, right? So that's how you want to kind of phrase your email. So you want to do maybe 3 emails of value, then promotion, and you just keep that pattern. And every once in a while, you could blast out a broadcast email that if you have something you're promoting that you want to send to your list, you could do that at that point. And folks, that's as easy as it gets on how to create your first message, your list, and you can keep creating as many messages as you want to that campaign, that email sequence, and you could go day 0, 1, 2, 3 on down to however long you want to do it. And that's MaillingBoss in a box, right? So quick, easy, not very complex. And guys, this platform, you can get 10,000 on your list for as little as $50 a month with the whole platform. It's everything. All right, guys. So you got your funnels, you got your website builder, you got your webinar platform, you got your autoresponder, and it's affiliate program, right? So you get 100% commission on your first sale of each lead that buys a builder. You get 100% of that sale commissions, and then after that you get 30%. So it's very powerful, and I showed in my last video how you can make monthly income off this platform. You can sign up for a 7-day free trial to test it out to see if you like it. There'll be a link in the description for that 7-day free trial. Go ahead and give it a try for 7 days, and if you don't like it, then don't use it. If you do like it, then use it, right? You can promote this thing. All you gotta do is sell one of them in the first month, and you make your money back instantly, right? So you sell 2 of them, you're in the green already. So this is a very easy platform to promote, and everybody needs one, right? So you could sell this to your local painters, any local business, your hair salons. Anybody needs a website, a sales funnel, and an autoresponder. Everybody needs that stuff, and for this price, it's so cheap. I mean, at $29 a month, they can have all that. And if you want to build a business with it and earn some affiliate commissions, then it's $49 a month. It's pretty cheap, guys. I mean, we're all adults here, and if you can't afford $50 a month, then maybe you should not be looking at affiliate marketing in the first place. But that's just the cold, hard truth, right? So I'm not here to gloat about anything like that. I just wanted to go over Builderall and the MaillingBoss autoresponder today. Hopefully this video was of some value to you. And if it was, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and give me some comments below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions, post them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. All right. Peace out. Hit the description in the link in the description for a free 7-day trial. Or if you just like to order MaillingBoss, there'll be a link in the description for that as well. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.